Sweet carrot French toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the bread recipes and one of the most delicious of the French toast recipes and one of the most unique of the carrot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most different of the bread egg recipes. Today we are going to make sweet carrot French toast sandwich. The ingredients are around 150 grams of carrot grated finely and 6 slices of bread. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the grated carrot. The grated carrot. Salt thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. This is so that the raw taste of the carrots completely goes. Now put in 2 to 3 spoons of sugar. Mix. Mix thoroughly with the carrots. Thoroughly mix until the sugar is nicely mixed with the carrot mixture. Keep on sorting. Pour in around 100 to 150 ml of water. Mix and let it cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes the carrot is nicely cooked. Now this can be used to make the sandwich. Take a slice of bread. Now put in the carrot mixture that we made earlier. In case you do not want to use sugar, you can skip sugar and add honey at this stage to the mixture and use it to make the sandwich filling. Apply the filling evenly. Put in the fluid the edges so that they just stick. Now take another slice of bread and put it on top and press. And keep aside. Take the next slice of bread and put in the carrot mixture like earlier and repeat the procedure. Now all the sandwiches have been made and these can be used to further make the French toast sandwiches. Take a spoon of sugar and break an egg into a bowl. Break in another egg, a total of 2 eggs. Mix the eggs thoroughly. With the sugar. Thoroughly mix. Until the white and the yellow part of the egg and the sugar are nicely mixed. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of spread the oil in the pan. dip the sandwiches that we made into the egg mixture. And put it on the pan. And let it cook. For around 2 minutes on each side. Turn it over after around 30 seconds. Turn it over. Press the sandwich so that it's nicely stuck. Now, the sandwich can be taken off the flame and put on the plate. Now dip the next sandwich in the egg mixture. And put it on the pan. And let it cook. Repeat the procedure as it is done before, until all the sandwiches that we made have been fried. This is the final sweet carrot French toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread egg recipes and one of the most unique of the French toast recipes and one of the most nutritious of the toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sandwich recipes, one of the most different of the bread recipes, and one of the most healthiest of the breakfast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.